Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, as promised, we have done another makeup tutorial. This time I did Katie's makeup and I don't know, haven't decided what we're gonna call this, but I would say definitely like a festive holiday party look.
Yeah.
We'll show you exactly how to do it, but I really wanted to do something that was different than what Katie did on me, just so that people have a few different options this holiday season, and also something that maybe Katie wouldn't do herself. So yeah, we hope you love it. So first, you don't have any eyeshadow primer on, right?
Nope, just foundation.
Cool. So like, sorry, not sorry, we're using the same one that we used last week. There's nothing better when your face, like you spent so much time doing your makeup and you just have like absolutely nothing to do, like nowhere to go. You're like, no one's probably seeing you and your makeup has like never looked more fire.
That's the only time your makeup looks
Can
that good.
anyone else relate?
Every time.
So using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm gonna go in with Tempera. So this is just gonna set the base. Everything that's gonna be happy. It's like a little, yeah. Okay, I'm going to mix Golden Ochre and Raw Sienna. I'm gonna mix these two just so we have like a little transition shade, because this look is gonna be a little dramatic.
Love a dramatic look.
Just blending that out. Yeah, if you turn. I'm gonna mix Love Letter and Venetian Red. These berry colors in here.
Ooh. I like it.
Just packing that on. Oh, that is pretty. Wow. I don't know that I've used this shade.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe. It's been a while though. It was probably like last holiday season, you know what I mean?
Yeah. This is the perfect holiday palette, I feel like.
It really is. I actually got this, maybe it was last year during the holidays. So maybe I did like a New Year's-ish thing. Sorry, I'm getting really close to your lash line here.
All good. I feel like it's perfect because you can do like total fall looks with all the warm browns and orangey colors, and then you can, you know, holiday it up with the berries.
Really holiday it up.
Yeah, like really get after it.
And then I'm going back in with the burnt orange, or no, this is new. I'm going in with burnt orange, which is kind of, it's like my favorite color in this palette. It's more of a warm brown, but it has a little bit of like peach in it.
Ooh.
So it really like warms everything up. This is literally my favorite, you can tell.
Yeah.
It's been used the most out of everything. So this is just gonna help blend out some of those harsh lines on top. And this is going to set everything for what's gonna be happening next. I might, after this, go in with those same colors because I think we could deepen it up a little bit yet.
Ooh.
Thank you. Did I hurt up a little? There you go. Thank you.
Like manhandling my head.
So sorry. Do you want this to look good?
If I'm being honest, yeah. Kind of.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay.
So again, going in with a Love Letter, love that name, and Venetian Red. I'm just gonna, as opposed to swiping this on, I'm gonna pat this on a little bit more just because I want to really make that pigment. Oh yeah. Make sure you can see it. Hold on. This is so pretty. I want this on my eyes now.
I feel like I could fall asleep with someone doing my makeup.
Really?
Yeah, because you just sit there with your eyes closed for so long, you know?
Yeah, that's true. That's really true. And then I'm taking this smaller blending brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that burnt orange. Not as much as before, because I don't want to get rid of that pigment I just did. Just making sure everything looks really seamless and not insane, you know?
That's good.
Yeah, especially when you're doing a more dramatic look. Thank you.
I love seamless rather than insane.
Me too.
Highly recommend.
Highly recommend. Okay. Then be taking Morphe R38 brush. And I'm going to be mixing burnt orange with a little bit of real gar. It's kind of like a terracotta-y color. So I'm gonna go in just a touch. I might squat. So go lower a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Well, it's like kind of a weird request, but
Whatever works.
I don't know if I've seen these colors on you before, so that's kind of exciting.
I've been like very low key recently with my makeup.
Like no fuss.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I feel like if I do color, I'll do purple normally.
Yeah, well, because that really brings out your eyes too.
Yeah, I'm really into purple eyeshadow. Which scares people.
It does, but honestly, it looks really pretty with people who have green and hazel eyes.
Mm-hmm.
But I also really love it on people who have brown eyes.
I agree.
And I think that, sorry, look up a little bit. Really pretty. I think that, sorry, a quick bite. I think that people with brown eyes complain a lot about how they like don't know how to do eyeshadow, or they don't know what colors, or they're just like, it sucks, my eye color.
Mm-hmm.
But I think purple looks so pretty on them
totally
too,
agree.
and like purple grayish.
Yeah.
Oh, love it. Okay, close your eyes once more. Okay. I'm just going to, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Please don't hate me.
Too late.
I'm gonna go in with this Real Gar and just with the smaller tapered crease brush, just to like really get in there. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Oh my god. This could honestly be a fall look too.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. Loving this. Okay. Love. Okay. Then, no, wait, yes, that's what I wanted. I'm taking that flatter brush that I used before to really get her lash line. I'm gonna take it underneath, so she's gonna look up for me. And
Yes,
it's a
Mom.
polite way of me telling you what to do. And I'm gonna be mixing Love Letter and Venetian Red yet again, our two faves. Oh, you're such a good eye model.
Thanks.
Perfect. So you just smoke that out. Oh, yes. Usually don't do like really smoky eyes either.
Me?
Yeah.
I used to, and I just
You
like,
used to.
Yeah.
Yeah. But not with color, I would say.
Yeah, I would normally do just like browns. Or purple. I could do like a really dark purple smoky eye.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'd like to see that. Oh my god, yes.
Maybe I'll do a tutorial.
Woohoo. Then I'm taking burnt orange just to, how many times have I said seamless? Just to really blend it all together. Wow, remember when I was like the worst eye model of all time last week?
You weren't bad.
Oh my god, I felt like I was pretty bad. And then I'm taking Real Gar, which was that like terracotta shade, and I'm just gonna do that on the outer lower lash line. So beautiful. So, since we were last with you, we've done some eyeliner action and mascara action to really bring this look together. So now we're going in with a really fun product, the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Liner. This is in the shade, wait for it, Yes by Rose.
Is that why you bought it?
That's why someone bought it for me.
Yeah.
I really like putting it not in the waterline, but a little bit below the waterline, if that makes sense, but it'll be like above your, what I smoked out.
Cute.
So it's cute. Let's do that. Okay, what's next, you guys? We're going to be doing some bronzing action. So I'm using the Becca, I've talked about this before, Sunlit Bronzer and Bronzed Bondi.
Let's remember I'm 6 shades
Yep.
lighter than you.
So we're going in with a light hand on this one. Yeah, so pretty. There's a lighter shade of this that like might be a little bit more up your alley. So I feel like sometimes I get a lot of questions, but now that we're here, we can talk about it. I just kind of take a line above her ear and go halfway to where her lips are. That's where I like to do it. So I do like a very like light contour now. I used to be like a little like crazy, but I feel like now I just kind of am like, who cares, honestly. And then I'm gonna go around the, I don't know,
Temples.
Yeah, temples. But I do the whole like circumference of her face, which I don't think you do, so that's kind of fun.
I don't know, I'm like closing my eyes here to put bronzer on me.
On your forehead?
Yeah.
I think I might have done that last time.
I just like assume someone's coming at me with a brush. I'm like, oh, better close my eyes.
I like this because it just gives you like an all over bronzy look. And Katie doesn't have a double chin like me, but like I still do like
You don't have a double chin.
a little like helmet strap. That's what I call it. Just going around. I guess these are the temples. Just connecting what we did. Okay, I'm using the NYX Ombre Blush in Strictly Chic. So I like to go from the back, kind of like above her ear where the bronzer was, just on top of the bronzer, and then I move towards the front. So I do like a swirly motion. This sounds kind of crazy. I do a swirl and then tap towards the front. How pretty is that?
It's freaking
That's really
gorgeous.
pretty. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
What's her?
Obsessed. Freaking gorge.
I might
Yeah,
need to
like,
get that blush.
It's so pretty, and it's like, I want to say it's like $6 or something. It's just like such a pretty color. I don't know, how would you describe it? Like a darker coral kind of?
Yeah.
Okay, I am now making sure I'm doing everything in the order that I want to. So we now have the Jouer powder highlighter in the color Rose Gold. And you don't have this.
No.
But she was with me when I bought it, so it's so pretty. And I'm just going...
If you want to use like a really heavy hand on the highlight, like I wouldn't be mad.
Yeah, no, don't worry. The next one's like pretty blinding.
Okay, because I like generally bathe my entire face in highlight, so.
Yeah, don't worry. So I go from like the temples to about like the middle of her eye. Then I go on top of the blush that we did. I'm going to do the same on her nose. Cupid's bow. And I've been starting to do this since you did it on me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I actually really like it.
It makes your skin look airbrushed.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. Okay, that's enough for that. And then I'm going in with this one, which Katie, literally you have to get this because it's the Open Edition, and I just bought the rose gold one, which I'm wearing now.
Okay.
This is the Wet n Wild Highlighting Platinum Bar in Winter Bloom. It is so pretty. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up at all, but it's basically like, it looks white, but it's like a duochrome, like warm gold with the rose gold one. Oh, I mean, shut up. Like literally what? I'm putting more on the other side. And then same. Oh my god, just like, I can't. Okay, so I'm using the Cream Gel Brow from Benefit in color number 4.
I've never used an eyebrow product like this.
Really?
No, I've only ever done like tinted brow gels. Because these kind of products scare me.
Why? Do you think it's gonna be too harsh?
Yeah.
But this is the Gimme Brow in shade 3. It's funny because it's just shade 3, but it's actually darker. Like this is definitely more your color for a gel.
Interesting.
I don't know Benefit, what kind of sorcery that is, but... Okay, so I did not bring for you my mattifying because you don't need that.
Yeah.
But I actually happen to have a little mini all-nighter, so I figured that was perf. And then going in with the Mario Badescu now. Sorry, it's a little powerful. We're going to be using Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Christmas Cookie. You can get this now. It's Holiday Special Edition. You're welcome. And then Kylie Cosmetics, the newest shade, Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Todd Crayons.
Yes! I wanted to use this.
Yeah, I literally, I was going back and forth and I was like, Katie needs to try it. So that's all on. Looks so good. And then the last thing I'm doing is, it's actually also Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Metal Matte Lipstick in King K. Remember when I got this, I was like so excited because it's so pretty.
Emily got me Air.
Oh yeah, that's really
the
pretty.
lighter one. It's
that's really pretty. Mm-hmm. So I just am going to put this, I like to do, some people put all over, I'm for sure not doing that. So I just do a little bit on the bottom and on the top, just kind of in the center of the lip. So part your lips just a little. Yeah. Sorry. So that is our finished look. Thank you for bearing with us, or bearing with me, the non-professional makeup artist. But yeah, just perfect for a little holiday party. Really wanted to incorporate some glitz and glam. What do you think?
I love it. I have that palette, but I've never used these shades in it. And I have also never used glitter eyeliner, and I think I need to go get a glitter eyeliner after this.
It's honestly one of those things
and potentially this lip combo also.
Oh yeah. It's one of those things that I didn't ever think that I was gonna wear. Like my inner child for sure wanted me to. But it actually looks so pretty just on the lower lash line, kind of in the corner.
And it's so fun for the holidays.
And going out too, it's really cute.
Yeah, I love it.
Love it.
Yay! So if you want to see more from us, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and let us know what you want to see next. And I think we are going to have a Christmas gift guide for you next week. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you then.
Bye.